Welcome to our Magento 2 tutorials. Today we will learn how to configure free shipping for specific products. First, to create a cart price rule, go to Marketing, under Promotion choose Cart Price Rules. Cart Price Rules is a powerful tool that helps you create complex promotions for your store. While creating new rule, you are required to fill all rule-related fields. You can set any name to your rule. It is for internal use only. Select websites to where you want to apply rule. Scroll down and expand Action section. In Free Shipping field, select for matching items only. To set condition, click on green plus symbol, then choose categories or SKU that you want. Click on the table symbol to open list of products. Choose your product, then click Save. Now let's test the rule on Store View. Choose the product you add, then proceed to checkout. As you can see, free shipping is now available for this product. Coming up next, we will learn how to set up free shipping as coupons. Hexa. Connecting applications, automating processes,